Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my HK416. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and first you're going to start out with a boat base. So I'm going to be folding a water bomb base, then sinking the top of it to make the boat base. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half like so, then you want to fold it in half again like this, then you want to open up this pocket right here, then you want to fold that down like so, then you want to flip it over, and you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right there and fold that down like so, and then you want to bring this point right up to the edge, okay, following this crease line right here in the middle. Okay, then make a good crease like so, then you want to unfold that, then you're going to sink this small triangle inside. Okay, so you want to open up this whole area right here, then you see a smaller square in the middle. You want to fold up all the sides of that crease line that we just folded. Okay, and now you're going to fold in the middle. So you see this crease line right here, you're going to fold them up. So fold down on the center, okay? So then you're going to fold that down. Okay, and make sure the longer edge is on top and the shorter edge is on the bottom, like so. And now we're going to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, right there. Like that. And now you're going to fold the front portion in half. So fold it right up to the center line right there. Okay. So fold the whole front portion in half. Okay, and make a good crease so you'll be able to see it later. Press it down nice and hard. Okay, and now you want to unfold that. So, and now bring this bottom piece right here, this bottom layer, and you want to fold it towards the back side like so. Then you're going to fold this all the way down right up to the center. Okay, and now you see this back piece right here, you want to sink this inside. Okay, so follow the crease line that we just folded right there. So you're gonna fold this down a little bit so you can see that V right there, and fold up the side crease line that we just folded like that, right? Then you see where that V is and where the side crease line is. You're gonna fold right across from it, okay? Like that, okay? And then fold it right against the gun. Okay, and now turn to the back side, and you see where this corner is right there. So if you look on the side, there should be this shorter edge, the shorter edge, and there should be this corner right there. Fold that right against the bottom of the gun there. So bring that edge and line it up against the bottom, that gun. Then fold this right inside. Okay, and fold that up. And now you see that corner right there. You want to fold that down just like that. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then fold that inside. Okay. Then you see this top piece right here. You want to fold that all the way up to that center crease line. Okay. Like that. And you see this triangle on top, and you see that corner. You're gonna fold in that triangle. So I'm gonna first pre-crease it. So fold where this corner is and make sure this edge lines up as well. Okay. Right there, and unfold, then open up this pocket and hide in that triangle. Okay, and now fold, turn to the back side and fold this whole piece down. Just like that, as much as you can. Okay. And then fold this off to the side, but make sure this edge doesn't come out of the top of the gun, because that'll be the diopticite. So make sure it's underneath the top of the gun. Okay, just leave a tiny bit of space on top. Okay, unfold, then fold this to the other side, and same thing, don't make it come out of the top, so barely. Okay, unfold, then fold this whole thing in half. Okay, then fold it towards the back. And now fold up the sight, okay, just right around here. Okay, so right around where the pistol grip is. Okay, then you can put this whole piece right into this pocket. Okay, then zigzag fold in a slant right here. So fold this back, then fold in a tilt, and fold it back forward, that, and fold that top corner down to make the sight. Okay, and you see this triangle in the back? Leave a tiny bit of space right here in this edge between, this corner. Okay, then fold this triangle inside. So open up this pocket right here and fold this triangle right inside. Okay, and now bring that edge and fold it right up to around where that pistol grip is, right around there, and zigzag fold it back like so, and zigzag fold right around where that rear sight is. Okay, fold it forward, then back again. Okay, and now fold that top edge down like so, and also fold the bottom edge up. Then you want to fold this edge down in a slant, and also the top edge as well. Okay, okay, and turn to the back side, and now you want to bring this point right up to where this corner is, and make sure the top edge lines up, and right around there. Okay, so where this corner is. Okay, make a good crease, then unfold, then fold up this triangle, so bring this edge down to that crease line that we just folded to fold up the front sight, then bring this back edge right there to this corner right there. Okay, so like so. Okay, so this flat edge to that corner. Okay, and now zigzag fold right here, so right against the magazine this time. Like so, and fold it back out. And now fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and fold right where the front sight is. So if you look in the front side, you see this whole front piece. Fold it back like so, and then fold that in half. So this is going to be the barrel, of course. Okay, and kind of square that out. And you see this corner right here, kind of angle it sideways like that, kind of hide it. Kind of fold it back a little bit. Okay, so try to angle it sideways so you won't be able to. Yeah, so it's hidden. Okay, it's like here. Keep dropping it. Okay, and zigzag fold the magazine. So open up this pocket right here, and from the top, fold it all the way back. Then fold it back forward again. Then fold down the magazine. Okay, just like that. Yep, and here's my HK416. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.